Hey guys, today we are going to unbox Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 PS5 Slim Bundle. Now let's see what we get in the box. In the box we get a power cable, horizontal stand, PS5 DualSense controller, Type-C to C cable and HDMI 2.1 cable. Some manuals. This is Call of Duty bundle, so there must be game copy inside. Wait, this is not a Call of Duty, it's a wrong game. But it looks good, we'll try it later. This bundle actually comes with Call of Duty game, not GTA 6. Time to activate this PS5. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. But before ending this video, guys, please note this. The money this channel makes, we are going to donate and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much.